Okay, welcome students. Today I will take the classes related to tense. Before going to discuss about tense, please subscribe my channel, The Right Direction. Now we will start about tense. First, all of you know, tense is of two types. They are present and past. In order to know about what is present and what is past, past relates to your past, that means this relates to your situation that happened in yesterday or before. But present relates to now. And in order to explain all these tenses, we have to analyze this in a diagrammatical way. That is, if we think present tense is of four types. Present tense is of four types. They are simple. Is of again present tense is of four types. They are simple, progressive, or continuous. Perfect, and perfect continuous. Perfect progressive, or continuous. Remember, in order to know about what is simple, suppose you are in your home and you start to go for your particular purpose to anywhere else, and when you reach there, that means when you are going, when you are continuing, that is continuous, and when you reach, that is your destination, and that relates to perfect. But after reaching, after finishing your work, then you will return to your original destination, that is known as perfect continuous. So, for by the way, in which way we will know that the sentence in present tense or any tense. First, you know, these are the identification mark in which way we can identify the tense is in present tense. Is, yes, or IES, is, are, have, has, do, does, now, just, today, yearly, soon, quick, suddenly, instantly, recent. If these things are given, definitely we will identify that the sentence is in present tense. Now we will analyze in which way the question will come. That's why we will give a nutshell about this. Okay. Then we will start. Now I will start about the present simple. The formula here is subject plus verb plus object. first formula is here. Present simple. That means if you are telling he plays cricket, for example. But your question comes in like such a way, I dash like fruits. And the question must come, fill in the blanks by using or write the correct form of the like, and the answer will be I like biscuits. Then another question, question number 1, question number 2 is he does do his work. The answer will be he does his work. Like this, the question must comes in such a way as a result of which you will answer the question in such a way. And after that, I will going to start about present continuous. Then continuous. That means the work is in progress. Suppose you are going, I am playing. The question asks, the formula is subject plus verb in ing plus object. Then you, for instance, I am reading the newspaper. But the question asks in such a way, in which way the question is, now I dash sit in the classroom. Such type of question will arises in your semester. So how to deal with, or in any exam, the question must ask, and the answer is now I am, because continuing the situation, now I am sitting in the classroom. Then another example deals with he does go to the college now. College. The answer will be he is going to the college now. That means this type of question comes in your examination, and from this point of view I am only teaching about the examination point of view, how you will prepare yourself with a limited period of time and you will appear for the semester exam. ता अर्थ है किभली भावरे तुमे माने खूब कम समय मध्यरे निजको प्रस्तुत करि पारिबो, जेहेतु आम कतिरे अब समय नाही, एई कम समय भितरे हाउ टू प्रिपेयर आवरसेल्फ टू मीट the upcoming examination. आमे किबड़ी भाबरे हम एग्जामिनेशन को मीट करिवो सेही विषय रे मु तुमको किछि ना किछि सम्यक धारणा प्रदान करूछि। नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट। That perfect is always perfect. That means your destination is to go and reach the college or anywhere. You have to finish your work, and when that work is finished, work is completed, that is known as perfect. That means in this case you have feel satisfactory that I have done this work. So you have, for example, the question may ask, I dash finish the work. First question you write, I have played football. The example, I have played football. Next is the question may ask, I dash finish the work. The answer will be, I have finished the work. She does complete the task. She does complete the task. The answer will be, she has the task. Now, by the way, we know about present simple, present continuous, present perfect. Then after that we will go forward. That means simple is here, then continuous means when you continue, then when you reach, that is perfect. After finishing your work, when you finished, ता माने कोन तमे जते बळे हमर ओडिया रे कहंती मु जाय, एठी हम लिखि परिबा ए ओ अंति जते बळे थिबो मु जाय, तुमे जाओ, से माने जानती. In that case we can use that form that is known as simple. But when in continuous, u achi or jau achi, that means the work is in progress. The work is in progress. In that case, then jai achi. If here it is jai achi, that means here he has reached there. Then here it is jai asu achi. Jai asu achi. Now these are the things in this way, in which way we can deal with the basic thing that arises or that type of question asked on tense. Then we will go proceed for the perfect continuous. Then we have to deal with, last but not least, related to the present tense. Sesare ama present tense ro present perfect continuous. Perfect continuous means mu jai asu achi. So for instance, I have finished the work, then return to my home. For example, the formula is subject plus have has plus been plus verb in ing plus object. That relates to he does, he has been playing. The question may come, for example, he does return from the playground after finishing the game. After finishing the answer is here. He has been returning from the playground after finishing the game. So these are the things that relates to present. आज तुमको present tense विषय में किसी सम्यक धारणा दिया गया, but it is not final. It will continue, and we will upload more and more videos according to your queries. जहाँ किसी doubt रहिबो, you can ask me. But before finishing this, it is a request to all of you to subscribe our channel, The Right Direction. Thank you.